Namaste, this is Learn Easy. Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today let us see the summary of Skandagupta. I have already uploaded Skandagupta summary, characters and Tippani in Telugu. This is for them who need English explanation. Let us see now. Before seeing the summary, let us have the introduction of the writer as well as his best work. The Skandagupta drama is historical drama. It is written by Sri Jaishankar Prasad ji. Now let us see his introduction. प्रसाद जी का जन्म उत्तर प्रदेश में धनी सुधनी साहू के परिवार में सन 1889 में हुआ। उनके घर में साहित्यकारों का वाद विवाद चलता था। श्री जयशंकर प्रसाद जी was born in Sudhani Sahu family in Uttar Pradesh in 1889. In his home, so many poets and writers meetings would be held. इसका प्रभाव प्रसाद जी के जीवन पर पड़ा और वे एक बहुमुखी कलाकार बने. As the impact of poets and writers, he became multi-talented person. वे कवि, नाटककार, कहानीकार, उपन्यासकार और निबंधकार थे. He is excellent, eminent poet, dramatist, story writer, novelist and article writer. Such a wonderful person he is, multi-talented person. उनका निधन सन 1937 में हुआ. He died in the year 1937. Now we are coming to see his best work. उनके रचनाएं, his most popular dramas. जन्मय जय, अजातशत्रु, चाणक्य, पुलिकेशिन, चंद्रगुप्त, स्कंदगुप्त उल्लेखनीय है. These are the popular dramas. In these dramas, we are today going to see Skandagupta. Now the dramas are many types: historical, mythological, romantic. There are so many kinds. This is historical drama. In dramas also, the main division we can say comedy drama, sad drama. Now for the dramas, there are some characteristics. In the drama Skandagupta, we are going to see the characteristics of Skandagupta, Kathavastu, Patra, Ras, Abhinay. Today we are going to see the Kathavastu, plot, summary. Let us see now. गुप्त साम्राज्य की राजधानी थी उज्जैनी. उज्जैन is the capital of the Gupta kingdom, Gupta dynasty. उज्जैन is the capital of the Gupta dynasty. गुप्त साम्राज्य के सम्राट थे कुमारगुप्त. कुमारगुप्ता is a king of Gupta kingdom. उनके दो पत्नियां थे. He had two wives. पहली रानी पत्नी देविका और दूसरी रानी अनंत देवी. The first wife is महादेवी देविका. The second wife is अनंत देवी. देवी की स्नेह, दया, ममता और देशभक्ति थी. The first wife has very good qualities such as friendly, generous, affectionate, patriotic, God-fearing, like that. To the contrary, to the opposite, Ananta Devi has the very bad qualities such as ईर्षा, कुटिलता, कठोरता, छल कपट से युक्त षड्यंत्रकारी थी. Jealous, deceitful, slanderous, fraudulent conspirator is अनंत देवी. उसकी इच्छा थी कि उसका पुत्र पुरुगत साम्राज्य का उत्तराधिकारी बने. Her intention is that, her bad intention is that her son Purugat should ascender of the kingdom, should be ascender of the kingdom. She wanted to be mother of king, Rajmata. That is her intention. अपने लक्ष्य की पूर्ति के लिए वह भट्टार को अपना साधन बना लेती है. To fulfill her bad intention, she make cunning Bhattar as a weapon, her weapon. एक और हुनों का आक्रमण और दूसरी ओर अनंत देवी षड्यंत्र. In the Gupta kingdom, one side Huno and Sakho's invention, the other side अनंत देवी's conspiracies. हुनों से राज्य में युद्ध की स्थिति पैदा होती है. बिकॉज ऑफ हुनोस इन्वेंशन देयर अराइज द सिचुएशन ऑफ वार इन द गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. क्रूर भावना से महादेवी देवकी की हत्या का आयोजन करती है. विद बैड इंटेंशन अनंत देवी hatches the conspiracy to kill the Devaki. सम्राट कुमारगुप्त की हत्या होती है. At the same time, King Kumargupta was being murdered. कुंभा नदी का बांध तोड़कर स्कंदगुप्त और उसके सेना सहित वहां जाने का षड्यंत्र करती है. To breaking the bounds of the river, Ananta Devi insists the Skandagupt to go along with the army. विजया को पुरोगुप्त का मन बहलाने और देवसेना से प्रतिहिंसा करने की धोखा देकर शमशान तक देवसेना को ले जाते. One said she instigated the Vijaya to flirt her own biological son Purugut. The other side, with the tricky words, she drags the Devasena to the graveyard to kill her. But her cunning intention never succeed. Meanwhile, the Skandagupta will reach there and he would protect the Devasena. स्कंदगुप्त हुनो और शकों का आक्रमण को चूर चूर करता है. एंड अदर साइड द इन्वेंशन ऑफ हुनोस एंड शकोस आल्सो नेवर सक्सीडेड. दैट मीन्स स्कंदगुप्ता डिफीटेड द हुनास एंड शकोस एंड गॉट द विक्ट्री. और युद्ध करके सफलता प्राप्त करता है. ही गॉट द विक्ट्री ओवर द हुनास एंड शकोस. अपनी माता देवकी की रक्षा षड्यंत्रकारों से करता है और माता की हत्या करने के लिए भट्टार्क, शवनाग और अनंत देवी षड्यंत्रकारों है. एंड ही प्रोटेक्ट हिज मदर देवकी फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स भट्टार्क, शवनाग एंड अनंत देवी. At the end, when the mother asked the Skandagupt to excuse them, he excuses and gives the good position to them also in later. कर्तव्यों को सफलता के साथ पूरा करता है. Whatever the duties he has to do, he is to do with full wise and success. पुरुगुप्त को मगध का सम्राट बना देता है. Then afterwards, his half brother Purugupt, he makes the king of Magadha. देश की उन्नति के लिए स्कंदगुप्त मालवा का सिंहासन स्वीकार करता है. For the sake of the betterment of the people, he accepted the kingdom throne of Malwa. अपने शेष जीवन देवसेना के साथ बिताना चाहते. At the last, after getting the success in the invention of Hunas and Sekos, and after completing all the issues what he has in the family as well as in the politics, he decides to spend his rest of life with his lady love देवसेना. इसी तरह कहानी सुखांत होता है. Thus, this drama gets ended. This is the beautiful story of Skandagupta. Hope you might be liking this. Suppose if you like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button. In the next upload, I will explain you the characters and tipness. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind.